Imagine what someone's gonna think if they're in a merchant ship and they see this on their radar.
This is actually really...
Oh, he's gonna blow us over.
Oh no!
Oh god.
It's Black Souls too.
You know they would do it too.
This is amazing.
You got want to wait a bit for
Scatter.
the back
Yeah,
to
yeah.
catch up.
Yep.
Oh, look at all that devastation.
They just all bounce back up again, most of them.
You just
It's
look
like
like
a
a
kayak.
huge, like, boarding party
If
or
I were-
landing party.
If I
know,
were
that's
him,
what it
I
looks
wouldn't
like.
be able to resist turning back around and coming for a second pass.
It
How-
actually, I mean, like, we actually look like a pretty serious boarding party.
Would
Uh,
what
at-
cannonball sink us?
Okay, so there's one person in the back, so we're gonna get going.
Right.
Remember, if you just tap your turns, it's better. Don't hold them down, just tap them.
Okay. This look like we are trying to storm the beach of Two Crown.
Mass
Looks like World
exodus.
War
Yeah,
II
we're going to
right
Cinderstone right now.
I'm turning. I just had to avoid that island.
Actually, it looks to me like Special Olympics Armada here.
It has a rowing. We should have
Sounds
a
like a
rowing
guild name.
race. Oh, that's what we should do.
I've wanted
should.
to organize some races.
Yes.
You know what we ought to do is just take like 4 big cutters and stick them in a big square, and everyone else has to race around the square.
Oh,
look at
God.
that! Look at that boat on its side.
This got run over.
Sorry, Thomas.
I want to do a rowboat race down a couple of waterfalls.
That would be fun.
Race from the guild house to the bottom
This
of
is pretty
Newstone?
darn impressive to see from the front, though, because you're looking back in your rowboat anyway.
Oh,
And-
cow.
There's a bit of bumping and barging at the back there.
Like locked. We could so do a land bridge locked up like that.
Did everybody get the message that they can't find mail?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Mail's not working?
No, that's
No.
no, that's just a bug message that came up from time to time. It's fine.
So I think we're gonna have to do this one night a week until we're really good at it.
Oh, yeah,
Yes.
right.
Then we go to
yeah.
free ditch.
Yeah, free to run on a rowboat.
It would probably work, actually. They'd be laughing so much they wouldn't be able to fight.
I'm amazed at how many like clippers like stop dead in the water, not knowing what to do. Like, oh, what do we do here? I mean, because if there's another clipper in the way, they just ram into you. But like our rowboats, they were like, oh no, what do I do?
Right? What don't I know? Something's happening.
Where is the secret weapon?
We should have a race.
This
like
must
you
be the
said.
siege. Like in our rowboats headed
Okay.
to Aurora.
Okay, we are about to storm the beach of Two Crown.
The siege to Crown Castle.
Yeah.
Why don't we go up the river?
I thought that
Oh
was
yeah,
the
if you
plan.
can.
I thought we were going to Marianople anyway.
No, we are going to Two Crown because it's more of a straight line across.
We're not advanced enough for turns.
Actually,
I mean-
I would like to. It'd be fun to try the river, but I think Pup is right. I think we would like lose half of our people trying to navigate the river.
But it'd be so funny when we come across a merchant ship coming the other direction.
We should totally
do it. Oh my God.
Awesome.
They just
Yeah,
pull
let's do
over
it.
us
Let's do
all.
it. You can practice a single file in there.
Turn. We're gonna go along the shore for a bit.
Plus,
Right.
that way we take the boats all
Turn.
the way to the gold trader.
It would be really fun to go up the Marianople River.
I mean, we could, yeah.
I think it'd be hilarious because the first clipper that comes through is going to be like, what is going on?
I mean,
Yeah, I'm getting screenshots right now of everything from the side.
Posted on the forums. And
This is pretty awesome. Varys, this is a great idea.
thanks.
He's the one to blame then.
All those yams he's been eating.
We have friends who live on this beach.
Stomp all over his chickens.
Our Legionnaire friends live here.
Wow, lucky them. Look at that.
I know, it's like prime real estate. I wish I had known that you could put a house there. It's a great place to drop packs, too.
Yeah. Pull up your own merchant ship and just, yeah, do it yourself.
What we need to do is we need to get like a full raid to do this, because right now we only have like 25 people.
Look at the Sporia's checking us out like, what the hell?
Could wave as we go past.
That House of Elrond is pretty darn awesome. This is so cool to see.
Someone running along the beach on his elk, and he just jumped in the water. He can't believe it.
It's an armada.
It's a silent co-op, like mission, you know. We'll stealth in.
Now if it was at nighttime, that'd be perfect.
Will that be
All
neat
the
with all
lights
lights?
would be on.
Oh, that would
Freak
be
some
cool.
people out.
It'd be like that scene from the first Harry Potter movie when
Yeah,
they go
that's
across the
exactly
river.
what I was
Yeah.
thinking.
We're going to Hogwarts?
Go to the right of this rock.
Is that what's that, 2
I
crowns?
just had to do it. I couldn't resist it anymore.
Where are we going?
We're gonna go meet Hagrid right now, as soon as we land.
We're going to the Sorting Hat?
You were replaced in a house. House of Elrond. I think he's gonna try to block us off from going to Marinople River.
We'll ram through them with our rowboats.
That's what I'm curious. Like, how many rowboats would it take to push a cutter out of the way?
We're gonna find out.
It should be like little mini harpoons on rowboats. Oh, running over.
I
the
don't- From the look
Man
of it,
overboard.
from the look of it, we don't need to worry about the cutter. Our rowboats are going to block each other off.
Yeah, but
Oh,
imagine
here
if
it
they all had little
comes.
harpoons, you all latch on and everyone go in reverse.
Or he's just
Brilliant.
trying to get up
Just
there before we do.
He's like, oh hell no, this is not
In some ways, this is probably faster than trying to take a merchant ship up the Marinople River, because everyone's just responsible for themselves, not getting crashed all and everything.
Yep.
Good
And
job
we'll-
you don't.
We'll be
good
able to
job you don't get
navigate around
jellyfish
things.
out here.
Oh, we're gonna funnel in there and it's gonna be a train wreck.
single
be a
file
boat wreck.
line, boys and
Yeah,
gals.
that's not gonna happen probably.
Or you could do 2x2.
Not a
I have a
fire.
feeling a good
Row,
30% of us would
row,
crash
row.
on our own down the river.
I think we're just gonna dam up the river with rowboats.
This is gonna be awesome.
Oh, look, there is another.
Can we
cutter
sing that
trying
song
to
from the Lego movie?
The Everything is Awesome song.
Okay, slow up a little bit and let the others catch up. There we go.
No, this will look really epic if each one of this rowboat was actually a cutter.
We could do
That
cutters
looked
next
beyond
time.
epic.
That'd be beyond epic.
I mean, if we had
They all had to crash.
if we had what do we got here? 20, 30 people,
Yeah.
28 people. If we had
That'd be a
28
whole
cutters in the guild,
squadron.
yeah.
Oh, think about how
Whole-
funny that would be for a red who's on the radar. He's
Yeah.
just hanging out, and he's like, guys, there's 20
guys,
coming."
hey guys,
Spanish Armada's on the radar.
Yep.
forget
actually-
the Spanish Armada, it'd be the Royal Armada.
After this trade run, I actually want to take us out with these 28 rowboats and go pirate something.
No.
Down.
Yeah.
Oh,
mean-
man.
I mean, just a
Everything
clipper
would
coming
outrun
into
us.
the bay. Well, no, a clipper coming in the bay.
Live
All you gotta
dead
do
or
is
die
like
trying.
All you
So
gotta do is
basically,
the-
stretch.
block
Okay, we're
Crown's
bottle
Bay.
Traffic
Come
jam,
on.
traffic
No.
jam.
Come on, guys.
Oh no, someone's doing it on purpose.
You blasted kids in your rowboats.
Turn it,
Uh,
Ellie off.
all you gotta do is not like
Owen's
get
got
yourself
us locked up.
get
The
yourself
trick-
positioned to catch them.
See, I told you you could make
The
a
trick
bridge.
to this boat, guys, is you steer in the opposite direction and it spins your boat a little bit.
We need to block off the Two Crowns harbor with a wall of rowboats.
With a wall
Oh god, imagine if a clipper comes the other way.
Oh god, that would be just too funny.
We're dead. That's it.
Varys, can you invite El Dragos, please?
We're not last anymore, Michael.